Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Meta AI on Facebook Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Messenger app. So once you open it, you will find a Meta AI option on the search bar. This feature is available only after you have updated your version, and it is available in some regions. However, in my region, it is not available till now. So all you need to do to use your Meta AI tab is simply go in the search bar and simply chat with them. So if you want to chat them or prompt them anything, you can customize your message or you can send them pictures, and you can simply use it as a chatbot in your Meta version of your Facebook Messenger. So Meta will help you find different kind of solutions to whatever you are going to ask him or her. So this is how you can simply use your Meta AI on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.